Hello mga Jai! I just had my grocery. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang mga groceries natin. So, I have a few vegetables here, starting with our favorite cucumber. So, I bought a cucumber. Then, I have also carrots. Kasi itong mga to, veggies are just very low in calories. Walang kamatayan, my favorite, okra. Yes. You just have to blanch or boil it and it's good to go. You can eat it. Then, I have some ampalaya. It's nice to pair with egg or sardines. And also some cabbage. Yes. Wala kasi yung maliit eh. Ito lang yung pinakamaliit doon. Some cabbage. It's good also for sardines or paired it with anything soup or like that. Then, I bought also some quinoa salad. Quinoa chicken salad. It's just 12 SR. Para I can eat it in between my meal. And then, I have also my pistachio. This is the nuts that I like. One of my favorite nuts. And also, dried jackfruit. Yes. And, ang ating Nescafe 2-in-1 now, we just have 50 calories. And also, don't forget our skincare. I have here some face mask. Nag-sale siya. So, I bought 4. From 15 SR down to 10 SR, there is strawberry brightening mask, collagen lifting mask, and also lemonade brightening mask. So, this is all I bought in our groceries. And because meron na akong egg. Meron akong egg there. And this is just left na hindi ko pa nabili. So, that's all for today's mga Jai. Thank you for watching. Follow and share for more videos. Bye!